Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 richest people in the world. 4 of these people are in the United States and 1 is in France. If you're trying to build wealth, it's important to see where the richest people obtain their wealth and how they do it. One trend I noticed across the 5 richest people is that they're all self-made billionaires who started their own business and grew the business to what it is today that provides value all over the world. Let's look at the Bloomberg's Billionaire Index. So this is a daily ranking of the world's richest people, which are updated at the close of every trading day. So first person is Jeff Bezos with a total net worth of $132 billion. He is up 5.5% year to date. As you can see right here, year to date change, up 5.5%, which equals to $6.9 billion since the beginning of the year. Random fact is that he announced he's getting a divorce in January 2019, so last month. And hopefully that doesn't affect Amazon and dilute his ownership in the company. Bezos is the founder and the largest shareholder of Amazon, the world's biggest online retailer. And Amazon reported revenue of $233 billion in 2018. If I scroll down a bit, you can see right here, he's 55 years old and his wealth was self-made. Next is Bill Gates, who has a total net worth of $95.9 billion. Year-to-date change, he is up 6%, which equals to $5.45 billion since the beginning of the year. Random fact is that he served as Democratic page for the US Congress in 1972. Gates co-founded Microsoft, the world's biggest software maker, and owns 1% of the company. The rest of his fortune is managed through the holdings company Cascade Investment, which controls stake in many publicly traded companies. Next is Warren Buffett, who has a total net worth of $82.5 billion. Year-to-date change, he is down 1.6%, which equals to $1.36 billion since the beginning of the year. Random fact is that his hobbies include playing the ukulele and bridge. Buffett is the chairman and largest shareholder of Berkshire Hathaway, the investment group that delivered 20.9% compounded annual gain in market value since 1953. So he essentially is beating the market since then. And Berkshire owns companies like Geico, Clayton Homes, and Dairy Queen, and has large stakes in Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and American Express. Next is Bernard Arnault, who has a total net worth of $76 billion. Year-to-date change, he is up 10.8%, which equals to $7.43 billion since the beginning of the year. And random fact is that he plays the piano, and his wife is a professional concert pianist. And he's France's richest man, and is a chairman of LVMH, Moet Hennessy, Louis Vuitton, the world's largest maker of luxury goods. He controls half of LVMH, which had revenue of $55.3 billion in 2018. And products include leather goods, watches, and champagne under the subsidiaries of LVMH. Next is Mark Zuckerberg, who has a total net worth of $65.9 billion. Year-to-date change, he is up 26.6%, which equals to $13.8 billion since the beginning of the year. Random fact is that he rejected AOL and Microsoft offers before graduating high school. And Zuckerberg is co-founder and chief executive of Facebook, the company behind the world's largest social network. Facebook had revenue of $56 billion in 2018 and has more than 2 billion monthly users. Its IPO in 2012 was the biggest ever tech IPO at the time. So those are the top 5 richest people in the world. To summarize, the top 5 richest people are all self-made, and their wealth did not come overnight. They had to put in the hard work to grow their business, be patient, and continue to add value all over the world. That's all for this video. What are you doing to increase your net worth? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.